What's going on, heroes? Welcome back to the vlog. We are starting off this morning cleaning because the house has been neglected for the entire week because we just been running around and it's just been way too hot for us to just be cleaning. So I'm cleaning the living room, the girls are cleaning their room, and we have somebody coming over because for some weird reason our floor is sinking. So you see a little print, and look at how it sinks in. So there's a massive hole right there. We're not exactly sure what's going on. A few years ago, we had termites, so we're hoping that that's not termites under the floor, just eating it away and then just creating a hole. Emma is in the other room cleaning her room. She literally just finished vacuuming. Nice, nice. All you gotta do is just fold those blankets. You too. You gotta fold those blankets and then put them on top of your pillow so when the cat's laying on your bed, the hair doesn't get on your pillow, so it doesn't get into your eye and you don't get a sty again. Okay? Okay, thank you. You see all that dog hair has just been accumulating for the entire week, and they have a little pillow in their house, but they keep ripping it and throwing out those little foam things out of it, and it's creating a mess. And then I have a bag of trash right there. We have to clean this entire house. We have a bunch of stuff over there. Like I said, we've been neglecting the house because it's been so hot. We haven't been wanting to do anything, and then we just been busy with life and school and everything else. You know how that goes. Remember how a few days ago I bought this little thing right here so that the dogs can pee on it because it was so hot we couldn't take them out? That thing is absolute garbage. Honestly, they take one pee in it and it fills up and it starts to drain onto the floor, and it's very disgusting. AC peed here and then Biscuit peed in it. And look at how nasty and yellow it is. And then to make matters worse, if they poop on this, it just smears into it. So you literally have to go into the shower and clean this entire thing out. And now, this is probably not their fault, but look at that. It's so flimsy, this thing fell apart when I was washing it. Like I said, look at how thick, full of pee this is. This is just Biscuit right now because he'll pee in one spot and it just spreads evenly. Now, it doesn't really leak. See that? It doesn't leak, but it just stinks up the place. Absolutely disgusting. So the guy finally showed up around 1:15, which was on the borderline because I was already frustrated and I was planning to leave. The girls were already ready, but like I said, the guy finally showed up. He took some grabs of the floor, and it turns out that we're gonna need new carpet and he's gonna fix the floor. Now, we don't know exactly how much it's gonna cost. We need to get an estimate. So probably within the next month, we're gonna get that fixed and they're gonna send new carpet. Good thing is, while he was there, it allowed me to finish editing yesterday's video to post today, which is something that's already up now. And while going through that footage, I found something very interesting and very scary, to be perfectly honest with you. So I'm going to insert that now. Meanwhile, I'm driving to the store. You think mommy would like this one? It looks like a bandana. Do you think she'll like this one?
My letter.
You like that one?
My letter.
It's a closet? Oh, it is a closet.
Taylor. Taylor.
This is what we came for, right here. So we got one turquoise one right here, and we need a gray and a black one. Gray. The black ones are over there. We ended up putting some in the living room, and unfortunately Biscuit, when he gets hungry and he starts messing around, he starts clawing at them, and then he just bends his entire thing in, and then when we're not home, he basically just grabs it and pulls it out and is able to get all the stuff from inside out. And when we get home, it's just like a big giant mess. And a lot of time he's eating a lot of the little snacks that we have for him, and then he just starts throwing up because he overindulges. You vlogging? You vlogging? Well, you have to talk to it. Turn it around like that so you can talk to it. Say hey, you guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome back
Back
to the Hero family.
Family.
All right.
Bye.
See you later.
Yeah.
We just got home and it is so hot. Honestly, it's probably more fresh outside and it's 85 degrees. The house just seems to be running at like 90 and up. I don't know what's going on. All right, guys, we are running down to the end of the night. Clementine just showered. Emma's about to jump in the shower. Vivian is sitting here grooming Deemsy. Was supposed to work tonight, but honestly, I'm on the fence about it. I'm more leaning towards not working tonight because I do feel exhausted. So, with that said, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.